My name is Fathima Hena. I am member of Madhubhumi Seed Club. I am studying in 50 in Islahia Public School, Kottakkal. World Conservation Day. When our environment is pure, our life will only become pure. We should care our environment. We should love our environment. We can take a pledge. I will protect all living things and the natural environment. I will not pollute the environment or degrade the quality of our water, air and soil by the improper disposal of waste. I strongly support the watershed management and the reforestation programs. I will call attention to the causes of pollution and other abuses caused by the environmentally inappropriate policies, projects and commercial process. I will respect the nature wherever in the world and I will join all the natural conservation activities. Thank you. Have a nice day.